Hello students, welcome to NESC online classes. I am Nimisha Basumatari, course trainer of Food and Beverage Services. We'll start the topic Carry out food and beverage service in guest room from Integrated Food and Beverage Operations. So our learning objective from this session will be outline the role of butler service in room service. So here we will understand the duties and responsibilities of butler service in room service or in room dining. So before that we should know what is room service or in room dining. That is the service of food and beverage in the guest room itself is known as room service or in room dining. Next is outline the measures to overcome or minimize the common operational problems in a room service department. While handling different actions or different activities in a guest room, a room service department may face different type of problems. So here we will also understand how to avoid them and we will follow some guidelines. So, what is butler service? So, before knowing the butler service, we should know who is a butler. A butler is a specially assigned person for individual guest or a particular guest. This service is normally given to VIP guest or VVIP guest. Now, a butler is skilled enough to do or meet all the guest expectations such as airport pickup, check-in, unpack the guest luggages and solve all the problems associated with room and also making reservations in restaurant, theatre or confirming his forward reservations. So, now what is butler service? A butler service is known as personalized service. This is a personalized service as one particular person is assigned to a particular guest. So, this service is very personalized. It is a service of food and beverages to guests in the room. Now, a butler service is also associated with the service of food and beverages to the guest in his room itself, just like an F&B person take care of food and beverages in the restaurant. Third is also involved in assisting other activities like reservation. Like I have told you, the butler is skilled enough to do other activities like reservations, etc. It is handled normally by front desk department or it can be also handled by room service or a special department known as valet. Now, measures to overcome or minimize common operational problems in room service or IRD in room dining. So, what are the preventive measures that can be taken by the room service department or in room dining to minimize the common operational problems? A service person have to follow some guidelines. Many a time a guest may feel oversensitive with the actions of the staff if something happens mistakenly. Therefore, room service staff must be alert every time and respect the cultural differences. So here we will discuss some guidelines. First is obtain permissions prior entering guest room. That means when entering a guest room, you should first ensure that the door is knocked and announce your presence by saying room service. This can be repeatedly done for 3 times. Next is keep door open whenever possible. This should be done to avoid any situation which may cause some unavoidable issues. Third is complete service promptly and leave the guest rooms. So once the service staff is done with the service, immediately he or she should leave the guest room and should not linger around the guest room or never try to intrude the guest privacy. Fourth is display positive guest relation technique. The F&B person or the service staff should always show a positive response to guests and should never try to argue with guests if any unavoidable situation arises. And if you are not able to handle, then contact your supervisor immediately. In this session, we have come to the conclusion. Here we have learned who is a butler, what are the duties of a butler, and what are the preventive measures that can be taken to avoid unavoidable situation. So students, I hope you have understood. We have come to the end of part 1. Kindly open part 2 for your next session. Thank you.